So this happened on this car. So I'm gonna try to push it from the inside, but before doing that, I'm going to warm it up with a heat gun so it's easier to pull it back outwards. Push it outwards, actually. So I turn the wheel this way to be out of the way. I'm going to remove this screw, this one, that bolt here, which will connect all this part and it will allow me to put my hand inside because I'm going to remove the liner out of the way. So I'm going to start hitting it with this heat gun, kind of half energy or half potency, if you want to call it that way, and easy first. I'm going to start feeling that it gets hot. So because that's the stress point right there where I'm pointing with a gun, that's the stress point that I have to push. So I'm going to make it kind of pretty warm so I can bend it backwards. Well, it wasn't that bad at all, huh? And it came out pretty good. I could keep going, but this is like 95% better than it was. So what I did is, yes, I started hitting. These were the pressure points, like it's when it's bent the most. So you have to hit that with heat, so it kind of bent backward. Here and a little bit over there, and of course this area. So then I put my hand in here because I removed those screws, and I started pushing. You see, I'm pushing with my fingers. It was hot, so I was feeling with the hand that is inside. I was feeling it. Okay, this is hot enough. Now I can push with my thumb. Yeah, I'm pushing now, but I can barely move it at this point. There. So it was easier when it was hot. It gave me a lot of resistance, but I was able to push it backwards and it recovered the original form or shape. Now I'm gonna hit this with because there's some paint transfer here. So with Magic Eraser, I'm gonna wet it and clean it and see if I have to paint. This is plastic anyway, won't rust, but I can remove some of these scuff marks, white ones, and the blue color can be recovered. Okay, let's try to remove some scuff marks like these ones. Don't go too crazy because this is like, let's say like a 2000 grit polishing. Just enough to remove those scuff marks so it starts looking a lot better. Of course we have to wait until it dries, but I know this works. I have all the videos about it. Now when you hit something, at least by just using this, you can make it 90% better with spending almost no money. Okay. Let's try this one here. And then here. Much better than it was at the beginning. Well, I hope this helped you, and you can do it as well as me too. Subscribe and like it and ask any questions you may have. I'll be glad to answer them.